Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I upload every other week. So first of all, I want to tell you this before I even start the vlog. I was gonna say this end of this month, but let me say it today because I know by next week will be end of the month. So I'm gonna be, I should say, busy for a little while. Like by next month, I'll be busy, but I will try my best to post vlogs for May. So when you guys come back, you guys can see that I'm posting a vlog because I know next month will be like I said, will be busy. So I'm trying my best to post vlogs so when you guys see me post them, you guys can kind of see that I post a vlog. So if I kind of been away for a little while, then you know why. I'll be busy for the next, like, you know, how many weeks from now I'll be busy. So I wanted to do this vlog for May because I know May will be like next week. So I wanted to do this vlog, not next week, but oh yeah, the end of the month will be May. Yeah, you guys know what I mean. But the point is that I wanted to do this vlog so like, because I know I may have said I wanted to show you my art painting still working on it, right? I can show you, but it's not quite done. I will show you because I know I'm not quite done. Okay, this is it right here. It's getting there, but it's not quite done. So I will be doing a vlog for that when that's done. So I'm trying my best to post at least 2 or 3 vlogs. So when it's posted, you guys can kind of see. I'll be a little busy. So I wanted to tell you before I even forget. So in case you might be wondering why I'm not posting as much, that's the reason, okay? But today's vlog, I'm going to show you some videos and tricks about how to make baking even more easier. So I have a little video of the cookies that I may have tried to bake. I know I did a vlog the last time and it wasn't great, the cookies then. So I'll show you a little video of how the cookies turn, okay? Give me a second here. Hold on. Sorry, you guys cannot hear it. Hold on, you know, I cannot hear it. Give me a second. I'm used to the AirPods in my ear. Let me take off the thing on there. Give me a second. I'm sorry, guys. Let's make it not too loud. Guys, I don't know what happened. Hold on, the thing is still on. Okay, I figured it out now. Okay, I hope this works. Hi guys, so my tip is when you're baking cookies, you want to make sure your iPhone or your Samsung, or it can be your laptop or your computer, make sure it has a timer because I cook these cookies for 300 and even though it says 350 and it says 11 to 15 minutes, always put a timer. It could be 11 minutes, it could be 15 minutes, and this is what you got to do is have a timer. Okay, so baking is... Sorry guys. Sorry. Okay, so baking is like when you want to bake something, have a timer. That's it. Okay, and then I'll show you how the cookies turn out now. This is how they actually turn out now. I did them from 6:15 I put them in, and I took them like say 6:30. Okay, so here's the video like I was showing you now. Yeah, so hi guys. So even though it shows you 11 to 15 minutes, you want to make sure it tells you to cool them for 2 minutes. But this is my method, is to put a timer, and when you cook, they show you how the cookies are supposed to be baked. So this is how they are. Okay, and then like I said, I'm gonna show you the video of the timer now. I set it for 11 to 11 to 15 minutes, and I made the cookies so much better. So if you want that tip and trick, like if you're baking or depending on like if you're cooking, then you can do that for a method. Okay, so I just learned that today, like using a timer is way easier than just putting it in and it come out. Not like say like I wouldn't just want to put it in. Like it's fine like that, but I mean I just learned this today, and like I said, if you're somebody that like I said struggle with baking, like I'm not gonna say I'm the best because I've been baking since I was young till now, so it's like a big situation that baking cake, cookies, cupcakes, or if you're doing cooking, could even be way easier, and depending on how long you're gonna make something. So for me, I would say a timer can help, or if you're somebody that watches it, when it comes out, that's even more easier too. But yeah, I wanted to do this video, like if you're somebody that likes to bake and do all these type of things, it's good. And I'm telling you, these cookies went amazing, and I have to tell you how proud that I did, because I know most of the time, regardless, I always look at the on the back. It always tells me do 350, do 425, and come out they all burn up. So my method is to put for 300, depending on what you're baking, and everything will turn out good. Okay. But other than that, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, hello, my name is Lashana. Subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I'll be a little busy, and I'll try to post these vlogs for May, and hopefully when I'm done my first painting, I will, whatever day I have the time, I will do a vlog for that, and I'll post that as well. Okay guys, so I don't want you guys to think that I just disappear and I don't tell you nothing. So I wanted to give you guys a little reminder that I will be busy by next month, and maybe all the other months I'll probably be busy, but I'll try my best to post vlogs in May. Okay, so even if I post 2 or 3 vlogs, then you know I'm posting, and y'all will get to see them. Okay, so I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you'll see my first vlog May 1, and I'll probably post this maybe the 4th of May. I might post this. Maybe I might post it the 4th of May. Yeah, I think so. And then if there's any other vlogs come up, then I'll do a vlog and I'll post it for May as well. Okay, bye. Oh yeah, follow me on my social medias. Okay, bye now.